Hi team, this is a very quick video explaining on-demand VPN on iOS devices. So the goal is just to show you how to set your APM and your iDevice to make a on-demand VPN demonstration. In my case, the use case is just to use login and password and do not use certificate. So I have one big APM, 11.4, and I have as well an iPad. So on the APM side, it's very easy. I have one virtual server, I have one access policy with a very simple VP, login page, local DB authentication, and resource assign. My network access is very simple, so classical. It's a classic one with all traffic through the tunnel. That's it. No special settings. Okay. On the VS, there is an important point. On the VS, there is a SSL profile for the client side, and name is iOS, and this profile here use a trusted certificate. Okay, the certificate, this one, is trusted by the iPad. It's very important. So in the iPad, the CA has been pushed. CA certificate has been pushed to trust this certificate. This is mandatory. Okay, do not use a self-signed. You must use a certificate, sign, and trust. What else? So on the iPad side, so come on, wake up. On the iPad, let's go. So I have Edge client version 2.204. Let me show you how to set the configuration. So description is demo. My server is 10.128.10.1. Login and password from the local database. As you can see, there is no display menu for the on-demand. To use on-demand, you need certificate. At this moment, you can enable on-demand. So you need to set a certificate. It can be a dummy certificate because in my policy, I don't require any certificate. But you need to set one certificate to have the option. When it's done, you can set your domain. In my case, it's external.local. Done and save. So the user one certificate will not be used in my case. I just need it to set my on-demand. My VPE, just to remind you, my VPE only requests login and password. That's it. Okay, login, password, no certificate. So now I have a demo. Just click on it to check it's working. It works. So I should have perfect. One session is connecting. Refresh. Good. So it's turned on, turn off. So now open browser and try to reach an internal. For my case, it's external because my DNS is set like that. But try to reach resource behind APM. Have a look. There is a VPN icon on the top left. If I switch to the Edge client, I'm connected. If I go to my APM, I'm connected. So right now, I can connect to my internal application. I should have mailbox. I hope. Good. So it's very easy to use on-demand VPN with a login and password, but be careful. If the password expired, you will never have any warning, just a fade. So be careful regarding your password if you use this kind of use case. Of course, certificates are much more better in that case. Thanks.